Hey guys, so I dyed my bangs again. Actually, I didn't dye them. I went to Fantastic Sam's and they dyed them. These are too much blonde. Look at that put. I currently don't have. Come with me. I'm using a hair file. Or a nail file, not a hair file. That makes no sense. Anyway, check out my video, doll. I got a giant eagle. It's all black and stuff. No racism intended. It has red eyes. Like it's gonna eat your friggin' soul. I'm about to go bitch. It has